Now into earnings corner. Tech Mahindra has met street expectations in the second quarter. Total income rising 6% at 1,630 crore rupees. Net profit though was down 13% when compared to the last quarter, but that was also in line with expectations. Kritika Saxena caught up with the management and started off by asking about the company's margins.
The impact on margins this quarter were like this. We did the salary increases, which impacted our EBITDA margins by about 150 basis points. As you know, we've got 1 month of the Hutch acquisition, and we had mentioned at the time of acquisition, the mid-teens are the margins that we expect initially from that business. So that has had a 30 basis point negative impact on the average. So this 180 points or 180 basis points negative, we have been able to mitigate about 90 basis points through the continuing benefit from the initiatives we spoke of 2 or 3 quarters back, which is the focus on cost optimization in general.
Right.
And the second thing is, we said we are looking ruthlessly at all our low margin projects and businesses, and either taking action to increase their profitability, or where it does not make economic sense, cease that business.
Right. Okay, we need from Hutch has already been factored into the revenue. Has Comviva also been factored into the revenue? And if not, then by when will we see revenues coming in, and by how much?
Hutch has been factored in only for 1 month.
Right. Yeah.
So going forward, you will see
an entire quarter.
An entire quarter. Comviva, it is pending with the Reserve Bank, and we expect that to come in a few days' time. So possibly as of next month, we will be factoring in their revenue, and it is about $70–75 million a year. So yeah.
Okay. So you have around 51%. You acquired around 51%. Is there a provision wherein going forward you could take in the remaining stake from Bharti as well?
Yes, there is a possibility that we can and we will.
Okay, so you've been with the company since quite some time, and way too long now.
Far too long. I would agree with you. Far too long.
You, CP, and Sanjay have been, incremental in taking Tech Mahindra and Mahindra Satyam to where it is today. I remember having a conversation with you a year ago where you said, I'm kind of tired now, but you're still continuing for 3 years. Is that correct?
In a manner of speaking, after work, as always, will be done by these guys. I will take the credit whenever they do credit-worthy work.
There's a strong quarter coming in from Tech Mahindra, the top management not planning to go anywhere. And the recent slowdown in growth in India notwithstanding, Nestle is